In the last video, we learned about how to take input from the user and store it in a variable. We also learned how to call that variable in the print function. The program we made in the last video was this. We took user input and stored it in the variable name, age and city, and then we used all the variables in the single print statement. If you look at it, it is quite messy. Variable name separated with commas, and then statement under quotation marks, and then again variables, again statements, and on and on. Here comes the function F-string for the rescue. To use the F-string function, let me first write it. F-string in the comment section, and then to use the F-string function, we just write the print function, and then we write F to tell our program that we are calling for F-string, and a single or double quotation marks, whatever you like, to put your statement under. And then we just write like first if you have to write the variable. To write the variable in the F-string, we just we first clear the curly braces and then write the variable name inside it. Like for instance, I want name here. Like name is for example, if I'm giving the name Roy, so Roy is this years old. So let age, it has to be defined with the user. So Roy is like 30 years old and lives in which city? The user will decide it. Is in this city, and then like a full stop for, and then close it with double quotation marks, and then close the print function, and then just simply run it. Team delta, like TD for short, team delta. Age, let's give it the age is 30, and city Pune, short. So as you can see, the first print function without which is without F-string gives the output that TD is 30 years old and lives in Pune, and the second with the F-string also gives the same output, like TD is 30 years old and lives in Pune. It is easier than the earlier one, isn't it? And also saves us from all the hodgepodge. In the next video, we'll be making a small calculator. We'll be able to perform few functions like addition, multiplication, division, subtraction.